Hi my dear friend, welcome back. This video I'm going to show you enable power saving mode on Telegram. You can follow this updated guide 2026 method easily done on it. Let's get started. First unlock your phone, open the Telegram application and make sure you can log into correct account. After that, look at the bottom menu where here you can see various options there. Look for the settings option, tap to open it. Once you are in the account settings page, scroll down slowly. Here, look for the power saving mode. Once you found them, tap to open it. After that, at the very top, you can see the power saving mode option. Right now, this option is turned off. To turn it on, simply use the slider and set to the option if you like. For example, I am set when to blow 70%. After that, you can also adjust the power saving option such as animated sticker, animated emoji, effect in chat, animation in calls, autoplay video, autoplay GIFs, party seals if you like. Once everything is good, you can right now my power saving mode is turned on. That's it. You have successfully turned on power saving mode on Telegram. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel. Goodbye.